welcome. Today in front of me SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So just hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one, and now we can see here the new created home screen folder on our device screen. If you want to add here more applications by the same way, hold it and drag it here. We can also edit the name or just give a name to this app. Just tap here and under, for example, the apps, tap to OK, and now we can see that we just successfully renamed this folder. We can move this folder here on the screen, just hold it and drag it by this way. Also, we can move folders between the screen, and we can create the new screens for the folders. That's also not a problem. Just to remove application from here, hold it and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this app on the home screen. But if you want to remove application from the folder and from the home screen, just hold it and drag it here to remove icon. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.